Don't worry, it's safe now. It's all going to be okay. We just need to ask you a few questions. Do you know what happened?
I saw a fire.
So you must have been on the street when it happened.
No.
So you weren't in the street, but then how did you see the corpse?
I was.
Don't worry. Take your time.
I saw a fire.
Where were you when you saw the fire then?
I was on the street when it happened.
Do you know who started the fire?
Yeah, I saw this man run out of the building. He was carrying a box of matches. I'm pretty sure it was him.
What did the man look like?
He was balding and he had grey hair. I remember he was wearing a red jumper. I think he was in his 60s. And I think he was laughing.
There was nobody that looked like the man you described in the building. The closest person to your description was named Ian Honeywell, but he wasn't 60, he was 46. And he wasn't wearing a red jumper, he was wearing a blue t-shirt. He didn't make it out. He died in the fire.
I don't understand. Where are my parents?
Well, they didn't make it. I'm so sorry.
You mean I'll never see them? Never see them again?
Would you like a glass of water?
Yes, please.
What were your parents like exactly?
Yes, they were okay.
Did they do anything to make you angry?
They were. They once tried to. Have you even asked?
We're gonna go outside and have a little chat, okay?